31 days of print on demand. 31 days. I'm talking February 20th, 2023 to March 23rd, 2023. I think that's 31 days. And what I'm going to show you in this video is everything that we did in the past 31 days. The results, the views, the revenue, whatever it is, the designs as well. I'm going to show you in this video. We're just going to go over and see how we can do better next time as well. So for the past two videos, I made this series on a print on demand series, right? I had the setting up the store and then the 14-day results. Now, fast forward, I don't know how many days, but a lot. We're at 31 days in total, and we have more designs, more revenue, more views, more money. So a lot of people told me, hey, you know, I did Etsy ads to try to promote the store, right, that I'm going to show you right now, but they weren't really converting that well, and we're going to go into them in a second. So I ended up making more designs because they're like, hey, the more designs you make on print on demand, the better you will grow in organic growth. They're very right. Make sure you do good tags. Your titles are good as well, because one product I just posted, well, it just sold in literally less than a day. So this is my shop, right? Okay. Now we only have 4 designs. We have 2 coffee mugs and 2 shirts. Now I know what I said. Yo, I made more designs. So on the last 2 videos, I only had 3 designs. So what's going on here? Look at how much the dang sweatshirt is. It's $53 for a small. Bro, what? And if we go into a large, it's still $53. That's a lot of money. So imagine one sale. The profit margins are crazy. In matter of fact, let's go to Printify to see these profit margins. That's correct. I do use Printify. I think it's the best for print on demand. So if you do want to use Printify, I have a link down below. Shout out. So we're on Printify, and this is everything. I literally just have everything, yada yada you. But what we're trying to look at is the product cost. So it's going to cost us $28 per hoodie, which is, you know, reasonable, and then $20 of profit we're getting for these margins. 40% margins. That's insane. So I was like, yo, what if we make a lot of hoodies targeting this niche? And I think that's what we're going to do at the end of the video. Anyways, I know what you're here for. You want to see the results. These are the Etsy ads. I'll just reload it for you if you want. Cool. Now look at this. $18 spent, slap to the face. That's a whole like 4 Big Macs down the drain. And then we have 6,600 views, 89 clicks, and 0 purchases. What are we doing? Now you may be saying, yo, why are you running $1 a day? Because, bro, it's not spending my full budget. Bro, it's spending 20 cents. But it's not even spending. So I don't really know why it's not spending. Kind of frustrating, but honestly, it could be a blessing in disguise because it's not converting anyways. So we can see days like this, $2 spent, which I've gotten nothing on. Obviously, it's all 1,500 views, and let's see the clicks. 14 clicks, which is honestly not that bad. And I hope it can spend the full $1 a day because I think we can secure some sales with these ads. All right, past 30 days. Look at this. Boom, $104 in revenue. I'll reload it for you. Look at this. We're reloading the thing. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my gosh. $104 in revenue. 4 orders. 302 visits. 676 views. That's pretty good. This sweatshirt was ordered yesterday when I actually put the sweatshirt live. I was going to wait for a couple more days to do this print on demand video for like 35 days or something. But nah, bro, I had to film this. This was crazy. That is correct. We spent $18.24 on ads. My editor will put it up on the screen somewhere, probably like right there. So we spent $18.24 on ads. Then we spent a total of $0 on designs. That's actually a lie. We have our Canva monthly subscription, $11.99 a month. So then, you know, that adds up to what? That's like $500. So then we get into our revenue, right? And our revenue is $104, but we have to put in our product cost. Let me actually scoot back up here. So we go to our product cost now, right? And our product cost is going to be a little more expensive than, well, our expenses, obviously, because we have to pay for the product. So let's go over to Printify and see what our product cost is. We made $104 in revenue. $91 subtracted by $104, or opposite way around for the math people out there, is $13. And now $13 profit doesn't seem great because last time we had a $5 profit. Let me tell you, that's pretty good. Do you know how much money that's worth? $13 right now. And I'm being serious with you. I'm like being dead serious. That $13, just imagine the meal at McDonald's I can get right now. It's like, we don't like McDonald's, we like In-N-Out. I'm from California, so I don't care. Many of you need to understand, right? Okay, $13, not that much. I agree, right? We're obviously better than that. $5 in the first 2 weeks. But you need to understand, in like the next 2 weeks, we did $13. Do you know that jump? That's scaling 101. We almost scaled 3 times there. That's like taking a business from $1 billion, 2 weeks later taking it to $3 billion, except we did it with single digits. So what we're gonna do with these profits is reinvest. I'm talking no more ads, We don't like ads. Ads are horrible for us right now. So nah, I'm quitting it. No more Etsy ads. We're going full beast mode. We're putting as many projects as possible. So let's make one design right now, and I'm gonna speed run 2 others. See, Canva is free, so you can just go to canva.com. It's free. You can get it for free. Just make an account, or you can get the pro version, which is paid. And if you want to use my link down below, I mean, hey, between you and me, if we're on Canva, free or not free, whatever you want to do, we're going to go here to the design. You can't see it because my big face is blocking it right now, but we're just going to search up random designs, right? You know what? We're not even going to search up random designs. We're just going to go to styles and pick something. I don't know. We're going to say fun, right? We just searched up fun. Look, I have a floating face right now. All we did is search up fun right there, and that's what we're getting. Also, yeah, this is probably giving you a seizure, so we're going to stop that. Let's say, yo, this is a fire design. Now, here's one bad thing, because people were telling me in my Discord server, which is free, by the way, in the link description. I'm plugging a lot of stuff today. But a lot of people were like, yo, Canva's gonna sue you. You can't use their designs. And I'm even like, yo, okay, well, the pro version, you know, they ain't gonna sue me, right? So instead of summertime, we're gonna put winter time. We're gonna put summertime, but what we're gonna change is have fun. We're gonna say be fun, that doesn't make sense. We're gonna say fun time, summertime. That's what I'm talking about. Call me Beethoven the second. Our poems are out of this world. That wasn't a poem, but what we're gonna do now is download this, because honestly, if I'm being the normal consumer, right, and I'm going across Etsy and I see this thing called Fun Time Summertime with a lemonade dude knockoff from whatever the Kool-Aid ad is on the screen, on a hoodie, I'm not gonna lie with you, I may have to cop 500 of these. So we actually have to remove the background because I'm an idiot. So download it again, because we can't put a background on a t-shirt. So we're gonna download that on transparent mode. That does come with the pro mode. So if you do free, you can't get that, unfortunately. You can use cropping skills. Oh, there's probably other free sites that you can do for free anyways. So now that we got that, we're gonna go to Printify. We're gonna go bada bang, bada boom, go to catalog up here, which you can't see. So I'm gonna move my floating head again, catalog. And then what we're gonna do is go over to hoodies. Now remember, we're going after oh, that sounds weird. We're in the female niche, so we're gonna pick women's hoodies respectfully, and then press on a hoodie. I'm also gonna move my floating head somewhere, I don't know, on the screen, and we're gonna go start designing right here. And then boom, look at this, we got it right here. Floating head is gonna become a little guy, so we're gonna drag and drop, easy. I'm pretty sure most of you can do that. Sometimes I can't. So now look at this. This is cool, but honestly, let's be real, guys. This is modern society here. No one's slapping a logo in the middle of their t-shirt, so we got to do the fun thing and put it to the right. And now we're gonna go preview to make sure that's perfect on where we want it, because remember, y'all, people are gonna be wearing this, hopefully, and I think that's good. Let's just look at on a person. Let's look at this gentleman right here. This gentleman is gonna show us exactly what we're gonna want to see. Okay, let's see. Does not look good. So we're gonna move this a little more to the right. I just think it's not as centered as I want it to be. We're gonna go into preview again. Make sure your designs are centered well. Again, let's go over to this person and see what's up. I don't know why we're choosing a dude, but let's go. Let's see. Honestly, I think that's pretty good. White, I'm really liking the white. Royal, I think royal is kind of heat, not gonna lie. So we're just gonna go with white and royal. And now backside, remember, we want to slap this logo here, and we're going for more of the, you know, little logo on the front, and then bada bang, bada boom, big logo in the back. So we're gonna up this up here and make this full size, and that should be honestly good to go. This is heat. I may even cop one myself. I'm not gonna buy one for myself. Okay, so look at this dude here, right? We have this sick thing. Oh, and then we see the back. Look at, oh my, oh. If you use code NUGS, you're gonna get 105% off your order. We're gonna go to Etsy, and we're gonna go something like, let's just do something like fun shirt or fun, oh, summer, hello summer switch. Oh, this is not it. Bang, copy this. Back design only. Is this legal? Probably. And we're gonna take out back design only because we have multiple things here. So this is going to the pricing. Honestly, Printify has it on locks. They have the pricing honestly exactly how I want it. They know what they're doing. They're the professionals here. I'm not. So I'm gonna say, you know what, looks good to me. So we just have everything here and just press publish. I'm gonna move my head again, press publish right there, and it's gonna publish. And we have published right there. You can just see it by the little publish thing right there. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go over to Etsy ads. Oh, we do not want to see that. That looks horrible, I'm not gonna lie. We go to listings, So we're going over the listings right now. Let's close these downloads out. And then we're just going to put the star because I want it on my star thing because I think it's really cool. But this looks absolutely heat, and I think this will work very well. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Part 4 is coming on. Remember, we're only doing 5 videos of this, so part 4 and part 5, we got to get there up in the ranks. So I'm going to try to post as many hoodies as possible, humanly possible, with my hands. Let's see if I can deliver 999 designs. We'll try. I don't think I can get there. Maybe I can get like 989 or something like that. But yeah, we'll see how we do. I'll update you guys. I don't know when. Maybe 45 days. Who knows? Peace out. I'm gone. I gotta go like drink soda or something. I don't know.